Hey everybody, welcome to Baker Makes It. Today I am going to talk about something I just did to try to beat the summer sun. If you follow this channel, you know I've been restoring this camper behind me. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I've got a bunch of videos up and I am making new videos as quick as I can. But it's super hot out here. I live in Tennessee, and like right now it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the heat index is 110 degrees. It's enough to keep me from working on this thing. And I just started thinking, how can I get in the shade? I don't have a garage. I just have my driveway. And I've been able to make that work, but the heat really makes it hard. So I had an idea. I was on Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you guys what I did. Okay, so my first thought was umbrella, but I couldn't figure out how do I have an umbrella that I can move around easily and still be able to have it be usable. I thought I could maybe get like a big heavy weight and put some big tires on it. All that just sounded like a lot of work. So then I thought, hold on, I have my lawnmower. Maybe I can do something with that. Check it out. What I did was I took a piece of PVC pipe here and some pipe straps and I clamped it onto my mower. And I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found the biggest umbrella I could for cheap. So let's set this thing up and see how it does. This is my first time actually using it on a hot day. Woo! And there it is, instant portable shade. It's a little breezy today, so this thing's blowing around. I may have to come up with something to keep that from doing that. I also discovered this umbrella, unfortunately, is broken on a couple of the tabs up top, but it seems to be holding. I'll probably have to fix that at some point, but for what I paid for it, I'm pretty happy with that. That casts a big wide shadow there, and if I get it turned right, I might have to just move the mower a little, but it does a great job. Really big shadow. Awesome. All right, I had an idea here. I've got one of these trailer clips. I'm gonna spin this the way I want it, and I'm gonna drill a hole through this and put a clip in it. Perfect. All right. As great as the shade is, I also splurged, and I've just decided that part of living in Tennessee and working on projects is that it was time to get a big fan. So for my birthday, I went and got myself this nice big 30-inch, 32-inch fan, something like that from Home Depot. And I think between this and the shade, this is going to be awesome working outside. So if you need some nice cheap shade in the summer, maybe put some on your lawnmower like this. I got this umbrella I think for 50 bucks on Facebook Marketplace, and it's huge. It's like 10 foot by 13 feet. I'm gonna have to fix up a couple little spots on it, but even if it gets me through a season, that's worth it. There's maybe just one problem with this plan, and that is that it's really hard for me to shoot videos with the fan on. So I'm probably gonna have to turn that off whenever I talk, but we do a lot of time lapses, so this is gonna be an awesome setup. It is like 110 degree heat index right now. I got the fan on me, I am in the shade. This is awesome. I hope you'll follow along. Like I said, if you haven't checked out this camper project I'm working on, definitely check out some of my videos. If you're into restoration type stuff, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm learning as I go, but I would love to have you join me as we try to get this thing built out.